Welcome. Today we will create a new test scenario in under 3 minutes. Let's create and add a new test. Call it W3 Schools Login, and we'll add our first test step. Click Add Row and let's call it Navigate. We have all these different keyword options. We can perform navigate to a URL, input by XPath, input by CSS, click button, select radio button, wait, and various other keywords. We need to get the URL that we are trying to navigate to. So this is the URL we want to navigate to. I'll paste it in the data column for the step, and let's add a wait keyword, and we want to wait a few seconds for the page to load. Let's add a new step called enter a username and select keyword as input by XPath. And we'll do the same for enter password input by XPath. And we'll add another wait before we click on login. Select the click button keyword, and after clicking the button, we want to wait for a few more seconds for the application to load. Let's just add a wait before and after clicking the login button just to allow enough time for the website to respond. So, we'll click the login button and wait for a few more seconds. Let's say after logging in, we want to wait for 10 seconds. Now we just need to pass our data for username and password. I'll enter my data on the data column. We'll enter the username and the password in the username and password field. And now we need to get the XPath for the username, password, and the login objects from the web page. So we'll go to W3 Schools login page and right-click on the login field and click Inspect Element. Now right-click on the highlighted element and select Copy XPath and paste it here. We'll do the same for the password field. This time you can click on the arrow and click on the password field. Then right-click on the highlighted element property and copy XPath. We'll just paste it here for our password field, and I'll do the same for the login button. Select and copy XPath. We'll paste here. So now we have all our 3 objects identified, and the username password fields have the data for login. So we'll just go ahead and set our run mode to yes, and hit the run button. We can see browser is launched and it navigated to W3 Schools login page, entered the username and password, and clicked on login. It's going to wait for a few seconds and we can see it successfully logged in. You can also add a verify step to verify that the success message is displayed. So this is how you create a new test scenario using Titanium. Also, you have the Variables tab, where you can add variables for your data. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.